Diabetic patients have to prick their finger, draw blood, and use a strip to measure the blood glucose levels like up to 4 times a day. We want to make a non-invasive, pain-free method for them to measure their blood analytes levels and keep them engaged with their therapy. We're working on a very small device that you insert in your ear. It's connected with a phone. It measures your blood analytes like in a couple minutes, and then it transfers all the data to the cloud, and then basically it engages all the doctors and maybe caretakers. There are a couple competitors on the market that measure glucose non-invasively. Most of them need recalibration during the day. We found out a method that will measure, we need a couple early recalibrations and then none at all. We have a proof of concept device ready. We've done a lot of in vitro studies, and right now we're getting started with the animal studies. We'll be working more on the prototype, and then maybe getting the optics smaller, getting the electronics ready. When this finishes, you'll be able to measure your blood analytes like in an instant, pain-free, and it will be very cheap to do.